writing an ad script for my advertising class. So for this I have to shoot an ad, so I was doing that. And also I have to write an radio script because I have to produce a podcast by the end of this sem. But before that, we have already made another podcast like as a trial, and mine was like a crime podcast, and it is available on Spotify. If you want, you can go listen to it. I'll show you guys. And that was actually so fun, and I never thought I would be able to do something like that, because in that a lot of research has gone. And again, that was like group work, it was a teamwork. But now for our final project, as for our practical, we have to do it individually. And I was planning to do like a radio drama, and I was already done with the script. It's just like I have to go and start recording it. I'm always bombarded with assignments. Like after the first month of the semester, I have like a lot of assignments, like a lot. And sometimes I do take advantage of everything that is, all the tools that are available on the internet. So for this podcast, we had to write script, but then I did not stay on with the script. While recording, I did tweak my script a lot. Like I was not like, it was not the same at all. Like it was not like I read from the script. I did tweak it a lot. Then my sir told you have to like transcribe your audio. And then he recommended one app called Turboscribe. And then I went and checked it on. And to my surprise, it was the best tool. So Turboscribe is a website where you can easily transcribe any audio or video like so fast in any language you want. And the website has a free version and a priced version. At first I used the free version. You can transcribe 3 files in a day. This is my podcast's transcription. I put the audio and it transcribed the whole thing. It is so useful. I'm not even kidding. So if you're someone who is looking for a transcriptor for your videos or podcast, do try it. And for my assignments and presentations, I have to watch like a tons of video on YouTube. So it's so easy for me to like just copy the link and paste it and use the material from the video for my PPT or my essay. It is really simple to use. You can transcribe any audio if you have audio in your files, or you can also transcribe any video from YouTube to any language you want, and also copy the link from YouTube of any video that you want and then transcribe that as well. And there are like certain modes for you to like transcribe. Like you can transcribe fast, like moderate, most accurate. I chose the fastest version, cheetah version. And within minutes, the entire video is transcribed. I can use this. I can use the audio and just go through it. I can study with it. And I can also use the information on my PPT because I don't have to pause video and take notes. I saw my best friend doing it, and to her, I was like, you know what? You can actually use this and get all the information that you need from that video. And she was like, oh my God, you're so smart. And I told her, you have to work smart, not hard. When you have such tools available on internet, you should make the best use of it, because why would you spend so much time watching a YouTube video and taking notes? That is like too much waste of time in this time and era. It also has an inbuilt ChatGPT where you can take the material from Turboscribe and put it on ChatGPT as a prompt, and it will start explaining each one of it, which is again a blessing. I don't care what other people say, but I do make sure to use every tools that's available on the internet to its max. And I use ChatGPT a lot, and any other tools that are available, I use it to its full potential, because we cannot work hard. We have to work smart in this generation to survive. So if you would like to try out Turboscribe, I'll provide all the links in the description box down below. So make sure to check it out and let me know.